let us see about final keyword. In final, there are three things. One is variable, final method, and final class. So final variable means we cannot change that variable. Finite method means we cannot override that method. Final class means we cannot extend that class. That means we cannot create a subclass for that finite class. Let us see this with an example. In this example, parent A is a superclass and void display is present in the parent A and integer x is a final variable. So child A extends parent A is a subclass and there is a method called as display. So while running the program, method override will happen. So inside method display, what this is happening is we are trying to change the final variable. So let us run this program and check it whether it is happening or not. If we see there is an error is coming because we cannot change the final variable x. Now let us see about final method. Let us delete this thing. So now we'll be writing the method as final. So if you see here means what it is saying is the child A cannot override the final method. The child A cannot override the final method. So the final method in parent class cannot be overridden by the child class. So before declaring this as a final, it was the child class was overriding the parent class method. Once the final is declared, it cannot override the parent class method. Now let us see about final class. So let us remove this. Let us declare this as final class. We want to check whether the parent class can be extended by the subclasses or not. Let us run this program. If we see here means that child A cannot be a subclass to the final class parent A. So the three important points to be noted here is the final class cannot have a subclass or child class. The final method cannot be overridden by the subclass methods and the final variable cannot be changed. So this is about final keyword.